Hi guys, my name is Orkan. I'm the founder of Collectum, and today I want to talk with you guys about which businesses to start with zero upfront invest in 2024. As a studied Master of Science Industrial Engineer myself, I run several businesses. I failed in a lot of those, but I succeeded in a few of those. And I do think this is a normal ratio if you start a business. Most likely, at the beginning of your road, you will fail. Our first tip is to start with digital marketing. With digital marketing, you can provide value in a very early stage of every startup. But what services can you provide with digital marketing? You can think about beta testing, you can think about creating posts, you can think about creating reels, you can think about video editing, which some startups might have done in their early phases. So therefore, we can just recommend you, if you want to start a business with zero amount of upfront invest, it would be a digital marketing agency. But how can you get projects? There are several platforms like Upwork or Fiverr which are well known for their freelancers. So therefore, you can go and register yourself on those platforms and write your skill set down in a few bullet points and create your own portfolio so that your customers can find you very easy. If you are interested in a Fiverr or Upwork tutorial, let us know down in the comments below, and then we will show you how to set up a company profile, how to put in the right descriptions, and how to communicate with your customers properly. Let us just know. Let's come to our next tip, cleaning services. Well, this might sound basic to some of you guys, but if you really think about it, it is really important in a cleaning service that you have the right material. You need to have the right knowledge. You need to have the right personnel. So what do I want to say with that is, for everything, you need to have a plan. You need to do your research properly. And if you are able to do your research properly in one field, then it will be easy for you just to start a business in a new field, because you always will start from scratch. And this is the most important thing an entrepreneur can have, starting over again from the very first beginning. So therefore, our recommendation is, if you want to focus on a real world business besides a digital world business, then you could focus on cleaning services at the very beginning. It is nearly with zero costs. You need to have some cleaning material, and at the beginning you don't need to hire anybody because you can do it on your own. Whilst doing that on your own, you can learn the processes. You get a view of how long it takes to clean up a specific sized room. And with this information, you can then start doing price calculations. Our next tip is e-commerce. Yes, it is a crowded space, but on the other side, you have some niches still which are undiscovered, like high-end coffee for the households and home gym equipment. Furthermore, you should track upcoming platforms. You should be aware of the possibilities you have to advertise your product. Example given, our app Collectum, which will launch this year. It is a new kind of social media app where everything starts from zero. So you have the chance, like anyone else, to start your business from the bat, and just only the ones who are more invested into Collectum will get the chance to grow their community and to grow their business properly. Therefore, subscribe us, because Collectum will launch, as I said, this year. With Collectum, you have a social media application where you can digitize all physical belongings. But furthermore, you can digitize all your services and products. This would mean, if you have like a brand or you have a kind of service, that you can publish that on Collectum, and people can find you directly and hire you or buy your products. As everyone passed by YouTube, as everyone passed by Instagram, TikTok, and all these other platforms, make sure do not pass Collectum, because this can be your last chance to succeed in your life. So therefore, drop a comment down below, hit that like button, and follow us on our YouTube channel, because we will provide you with inside information. Lastly, I wanted to mention to this point e-commerce. You have to have the right channels just to market your product properly. You do not need to be on overcrowded places like Instagram or Amazon. Whilst Instagram is your marketing channel and Amazon will be your distribution channel, you can think about going on Reddit and selling on Etsy. It may sound weird, but you can ask different type of questions to different kind of products in specific niche, which will then be upvoted from a Reddit community. And then you can just link your Etsy shop. Okay, now to our fourth tip. It is sustainable products. While sustainability is a mega trend nowadays because it becomes more and more important, even on a political level, therefore, we can just recommend you, if you have something in mind where you can create value which benefits the environment, then you will be pushed by the algorithms and by the mainstream media, because you will get attention from the normal guys. And normal guys mostly want zero waste products like recyclable shampoo dispensers or zero waste skincare products. And if you are an engineer, then you can focus on hydrogen solutions and solar energy solutions, because this will be the future as well. Our fifth tip is something more personal, attached to your customer base. Did you ever think about what people really need and what people really have in their environment? It is their family and it is their pets. So think about selling custom-made pet products, because people with pets have a high likelihood purchasing individualized items. And nowadays, designing pet toys is much easier than you might think. Due to AI solutions, you can now have a technical drawing and send this one to a supplier, get this toy manufactured, pay the price, and sell it on different channels. And here's the bonus tip. Join makerspaces. Makerspaces are locations where individuals meet to solve everyday's problems. I started my own master thesis in this area as well. I was focusing on crowd innovation in makerspaces for organizational benefits, right out of these makerspaces, because like-minded people connect there. And everyone has a specific skill set which can provide value to a specified product from a different direction. And this creates the whole circle of product value creation. Most of the time it is fully impossible to create a product only through your own skill set, because this involves major topics that you need to have from your side, like coding, like manufacturing skills, like technical drawings. I didn't mention even the regulatory part regarding that. And the financial part I didn't mention either. And those kind of guys you can find in makerspaces, which already had started some startups, which already have some experiences. So make sure to check that out, guys, as well. Now you heard, guys, which businesses you can still start in 2024, and this will minimize your risk to enter right into the business world. Make sure to get started, but also make sure that you do everything with a plan. And if you want to have a plan properly on how to develop ideas properly, how to identify those market needs properly, then I recommend you look at the challenge we did at our video right in the info box over my head, left or right, I don't know where it is. Click on that and make sure to answer the questions we proposed properly, because we will get you through the whole innovation process with a proven methodology. Thanks for tuning in. Smash that like button, hit that follow button, and hit every other button on the keyboard which you find down in the comments in 5 seconds. I will wait. See you guys.